Welcome to Write with G. I'm G. Well, anyway, in today's video, we are going to learn how to write the letter B. That's right, the letter B. Okay, well, the letter B is really easy to write, especially the lowercase b. But before we do the lowercase b, let's start with the capital letter B, which is easy as well. Draw a straight line like that, but we're not done yet. Now we have to write. Now, with the lowercase b, we only do one oopty. Well, wait, this is the oopty and this is the doopty. So we're just doing the doopty. So we draw our straight line like that and the doopty. Just like that. So we have the capital B and the lowercase b. Remember, the capital B has the oopty doopty and this one just has the doopty. Straight line and one doopty. The capital B, the lowercase b. Now let's spell a word with the letter B. Only if we had something near the desk or on the desk that started with a B. Is that what I think it is? A banana? A banana starts with the letter B. Let's spell banana. All right. B. B-A. 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 Nah. Nah. Banana. N B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Now let's see if we can draw a banana. You don't know what a banana looks like. If this is your first, give me that. If this is your first time seeing a banana, here is a yellow banana. So let's draw a banana. All right. Let's see. I think we can do it. So we will draw this shape and that shape and that is how you draw a banana. This is a banana peel. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. But if you peel back the banana, the inside is white. Whoa! Don't eat the peel. No. Eat the inside. Well, I think we've learned a lot about bananas. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. Whoa. Now that's a good banana. Well, I think that's all that we have for this video. I'll finish this banana. See you later. Banana. What are you still doing here? Sorry guys, you're gonna have to get your own banana. Later.